Kia ora hoa ko te ahau, ko tae ki te wā mo te whakatauki tuatoru. E tino hāngai ana tēnei kōrero ki a Ngati Porou. And the saying is, ka kō ngā kopara a Rongomaitapui. Uetaha and Rongomaitapui had 3 daughters, Hinerupe, Te Aopare and Tamateakui. They were known as notorious talkers, and when people would see them yakking away, they'd just say, ka kō ngā kopara a Rongomaitapui. I'm sure we all know how this scene might pan out, but let's let the girls show us anyway.
No way.
Hard out?
For real?
Yes, man.
That's not even what happened, is it?
No, Pahu.
Hey, Kitio.
You saw what?
You know, gee, do I have to paint a picture? I mean, I wouldn't have believed it either until I saw it last night. Gross.
Oh, yeah, you'll never catch me doing that.
Do you think I should say anything?
Yeah, you should.
Nah, I shouldn't.
Nah, don't.
Oh man, this is grossing me out.
Hard out? Oh.
What if word got out?
Oh my god, Kim, have you
Hold
heard?
on. That's not even what happened.
We should go check this out, it's on Facebook. Oh wait, let's go.
Bro, you're wasting your time. Ka kō ngā kopara Rongomaitapui. Gas bags. Hard it.
Have you ever found yourself struggling to get a word into a conversation? Perhaps you, just like Kemara, have dealt with some kopara a Rongomaitapui. Let's watch this poor guy again.
No way.
Hard out?
For real?
Yes, man.
That's not even what happened, is it?
No, Pahu.
Hey, Kitio.
You saw what?
You know, gee, do I have to paint a picture? I mean, I wouldn't have believed it either until I saw it last night. Gross.
Oh, yeah, you'll never catch me doing that.
Do you think I should say anything?
Yeah, you should.
Nah, I shouldn't.
Nah, don't.
Oh man, this is grossing me out.
Hard out? Oh.
What if word got out?
Oh my god, Kim, have you
Hold
heard?
on. That's not even what happened.
We should go check this out, it's on Facebook. Oh wait, let's go.
Bro, you're wasting your time. Ka kō ngā kopara Rongomaitapui. Gas bags. Hard it.
So next time you're around people gassing away, you just think back to Hinerupe, Te Aopare and Tamateakui and say, ka kō ngā kopara a Rongomaitapui. Rongomaitapui's bellbirds are singing. By the way, kopara is the Ngati Porou kupu for what other iwi may call the makomako and the korimako. Ironically, it's the kōkako that sings like a bell, not the kopara. E te iwi, koe ara te whakatauki tuatoru, hei kona.